Is Opazity a scam in 2026 or the next big thing in crypto? Let's get into it. First off, as of today, there's no trace of a big, legit crypto company called Opazity. If you're running into this name, it could just be a typo. Maybe you meant Opacity, an actual blockchain cloud storage project, which, by the way, has its own issues with performance and features. Or maybe you're looking at something like Opexity or Opority, both legit but have nothing to do with crypto investing. But let's say you're staring at a website promising crazy high profits, guaranteed returns, or even risk-free gains using AI magic. That's your cue to run. Seriously. Here's why. In 2026, the worst scams often hide behind buzzwords like proprietary AI to sound advanced, but deliver nothing except empty wallets. Some of these platforms will ask for withdrawal fees or donation taxes before you can get your money out. This is almost always a scam. No legit service does this. And if you can't find a real office address or proof they're registered with financial regulators, that's another giant red flag. One more warning: if you've lost money and someone offers to recover your funds for an upfront fee, don't fall for it. Most times, it's the same scammers coming for round two. So, how do you protect yourself? Always check the Better Business Bureau for company history, use Trustpilot for real reviews, but watch out for fake generic feedback and see if CryptoLegal lists them as a reported scam. Bottom line: if you can't find solid evidence that Opazity is real and regulated, don't invest. Stay sharp, and don't let FOMO cloud your judgment.